To pay via Payid in Commbank, start by ensuring you have the Commbank app or access to NetBank. Payid is a payment method that allows you to make payments using a unique identifier such as your phone number or email address. First, link your Payid to your Commbank account. You can do this by going to the Payid section in the Commbank app or NetBank and following the prompts to add your Payid. You will need to verify your identity and confirm that you are the owner of the Payid. Once your Payid is linked, you can start making payments. To make a payment, go to the payment section in the Commbank app or NetBank and select the account you want to pay from. Enter the recipient's Payid, which can be their phone number or email address, and the amount you want to pay. You will then be asked to confirm the payment details, including the recipient's name and the payment amount. It is essential to double-check these details to ensure the payment is made to the correct person. After confirming the payment details, the payment will be processed immediately, and you will receive a confirmation message. The recipient will also receive a notification that they have received a payment. It is essential to keep your Payid and account details secure to prevent unauthorized access. You should never share your Payid or account login details with anyone. And you should always monitor your account activity for any suspicious transactions. In the event that you need to cancel a payment, you can do this by contacting Commbank's customer support team. However, this should be done as soon as possible, as payments made via Payid are usually processed immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely make payments using Payid in Commbank. Payid is a convenient and fast way to make payments, and it can be used for a wide range of transactions, from paying bills to sending money to friends and family.